How to download Bitcoin Wallet app. So if you want to download Bitcoin Wallet app, then first you need to open up your Play Store or your App Store and make sure that you have a stable internet connection. So if you don't have a stable internet connection, then you might be facing some problems while downloading. So now tap on the search bar of your App Store or your Play Store and then search for Bitcoin. And once you've searched for that, you will have this Bitcoin and crypto. So you can simply go for the application and then you can tap on install. And that's it. That's how you install your Bitcoin wallet application. And now once you've installed the application, you can simply tap on open, which will be on the right side here. And after tapping on that open, and it might take some time depending on your data or your Wi-Fi connection to download. And once it's installed, you will have open option. Simply tap on open and then you can create your account or you can log into your wallet. So that's it. That's how you download Bitcoin wallet. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.